Hello students, again we will solve the sums related to the graphical method. Solve graphically the following linear programming problems. Question number 1. Minimize z is equal to 5x plus 2y subject to 5x plus y greater than or equal to 10, x plus y greater than or equal to 6, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Now we want to solve this LPP graphically. So let's start with the step 1. We will consider the given inequalities as equalities. So equations will be 5x plus y is equal to 10, x plus y is equal to 6, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now step 2. Here we will construct one table. First column will be equations, second values of x, third column values of y, fourth column point x comma y, and fifth column is the region. Now consider the first equation 5x plus y is equal to 10. In this equation, once we will put the value of x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 10. So coordinates of A will be 0, 10. In the same equation, now we will substitute the value of y as 0. So x will be 2. So coordinates of B will be 2, 0. So these are the two coordinates of the given line 5x plus y is equal to 10. Now since the inequalities are facing towards the variable, the region will be away from the origin. Now second equation, x plus y is equal to 6. Now in this equation, once we will put the value of x at 0, so y is equal to 6. So coordinates of C will be 0, 6. In the same equation, now we will substitute y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6. So coordinates of D will be 6, 0. So these are the two coordinates of the given line x plus y is equal to 6. Now here also the inequalities are facing towards the variable, so the region will be away from the origin. Then x is equal to 0 is nothing but the equation of y-axis, and y is equal to 0 is nothing but the equation of x-axis. After completion of this table, we then move forward for the step number 3. Here we will draw one graph, x-axis, y-axis, and here we will write the scale. On both the axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now first we will plot the point A and B, 0, 10 and 2, 0. We will draw this line and here write down the equation of the line, that is 5x plus y is equal to 10. And since the region is away from the origin, here we will draw one arrow which will shows that the region is away from the origin. This is the origin side and away from origin means this side. Now second, we will plot the points C and D. Draw the line passing through these 2 points. Here we will write the equation of line x plus y is equal to 6. And here also the region is away from the origin, so arrow will be like this. Now from these 2 lines we will find out the feasible region, means common region for both the lines. So this will be the feasible region. Now next step will be step number 4, where we will write the corner points of the feasible region. So the corner points are A, here we will write this as P, so P, and D. So corner points are A, P and D. Now we know the coordinates of A and we know the coordinates of D, but we don't know about P, so that we will consider as x, y. But we know that P is the intersection point of these 2 lines. So if we solve these 2 lines simultaneously, then obviously we will get the values of x and y. So solving these 2 equations simultaneously, we get x is equal to 1. We will substitute this value of x in any one of the equation to get the corresponding value of y. So here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. So coordinates of P are 1, 5. Now step number 5, where we are going to use the equation of z which is given in the original question, that is z is equal to 5x plus 2y. So here in first column we will write the vertex, that is corner points, and here we will write the calculation for z. So point A with the coordinates 0, 10, substituting the values in the equation of z, we get z is equal to 20. Then substituting the values of coordinates of P 1, 5 in the equation of z, we get z is equal to 15. And D, substituting again values in equation of z, we get z is equal to 30. And since it is asked to solve for the minimize, so here the minimum value of z is 15. So result will be the minimum value of z is 15 and is obtained at the point P 1, 5. Now let's consider question number 2. Maximize z is equal to 11x plus 8y subject to x is less than or equal to 4, y is less than or equal to 6, x plus y is less than or equal to 6, x is greater than or equal to 0, and y is greater than or equal to 0. Now step 1, consider the given inequalities as equalities. So first equation will be x is equal to 4, then y is equal to 6, x plus y is equal to 6, x is equal to 0, and y is equal to 0. Now step 2, again we will construct the table exactly same as we solved it in the previous question. So first column will be equation, second x, then y, then coordinates px, y, and then region. Now let's consider the first equation, x is equal to 4. Now here, since only one variable is present in the equation, that is x, and which is equal to 4, so obviously y will be 0. So here we will get only one point, that is 4, 0. And the inequality is facing towards the constant, therefore region will be towards origin. Now second equation, y is equal to 6. Now here also only one variable is present in the given equation, and that is y. Value is 6, so obviously x will be 0. So here also we will get only one coordinate, that is b 0, 6. And inequality is facing towards the constant, so region will be towards origin. Now third equation, x plus y is equal to 6. In this equation, first we will substitute value of x as 0, so y is equal to 6, but already we have this point here b 0, 6. So again we will call this point as B only, and region will be towards origin. Similarly in case to find the value of x. Now obviously x is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis and y is equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. Now moving towards the next step, step number 3. Here we will draw the graph, x-axis, y-axis. Scale will be on both the axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now first we will plot this point A 4, 0. So that point is here. So we will get a line parallel to the y-axis. Now to plot this point 0, 6, point B will be here, and we will get a line parallel to x-axis. For both the lines we will write the equations, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6. And the region is towards origin, so the arrow will be like this, towards origin. Then we will plot these 2 points. Already B is here. Now C is 6, 0. Join these 2 points to get the line for the equation x plus y is equal to 6. And here also region is towards origin, so downward arrow will be here. Now by using these 3 lines, we will find out the common region, that is feasible region. So we get this as the feasible region. Now in step number 4, we will write the corner points of the feasible region. So the corner points are O, A, P, B. Now we know the coordinates of O 0, 0, coordinates of A 4, 0, coordinates of B 0, 6, but we don't know about P, so we call that as x, y. Now to find the coordinates of P, we know that P is the intersection point of these two lines, that is x plus y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 4. So by solving them simultaneously, we will find the coordinates of P. Now since x is equal to 4 we will substitute this value in this equation to get the corresponding value of y. So y is equal to 2. So the coordinates of P are 4, 2. Now last step, here we are going to use the equation of z, that is 11x plus 8y. Now one by one we will substitute the values of these coordinates in the equation of z to get the maximum value. So by substituting 0, 0 in equation of z, we get z is equal to 0. Then by substituting 0, 6 in the equation of z, we get z is equal to 48. Now by substituting x as 4 and y as 2 in equation of z, we get z is equal to 60. And finally substituting x as 4 and y as 0 in the equation of z, we get z is equal to 44. Now in these four values, 60 is the maximum value. So we can write the result as the maximum value of z is equal to 60 and is obtained at the point P 4, 2. Thank you students.